from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles. A powerful nor'easter will probably produce a period of 55 to 60 knot gusts Saturday. These winds are expected to generate seas to at least 20 feet in the coastal waters east of Toms River, New Jersey, down to the Delaware Atlantic coastal waters during the day Saturday. Marine travel in the New Jersey and Delaware Atlantic coastal waters is expected to be at best difficult, in occasional wind-driven heavy precipitation, very strong wind gusts and high seas. For safety and efficient marine travel, small craft should plan to remain in port Friday night into Saturday night along the mid-Atlantic coast. Here is the latest weather map.